Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal and today we're going to be creating a perfect look that goes great with green eyes with the Take Me on Vacation palette. I love this palette because it's a great soft glam makeup palette, but it also has some really fun pops of color in here, and we are definitely going to take advantage of that today. I have already prepped and primed my face and put a layer of foundation on, and I've done my eyebrows, obviously. So to prime my face, I use the 24-hour Photo Finish foundation primer by Smashbox. Then I also use the Photo Finish Under Eye Hydrating Primer. I love that primer. It's just really nice for when you put your concealer on, and it helps you not get any like lines or creases in your foundation underneath your eyes. For my foundation, I use the Cover FX in the shade N20, and this is the Power Play foundation. And I did a first impressions video with the Cover FX Power Play foundation, so if you haven't seen that yet, I went ahead and put the link down in the description below. So after you're done with this video, go check out that one. So to prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer, and this is in the shade Fair. I like to do one eye at a time with this, just because I feel like it dries pretty quickly. And to blend that in, I'm going to use my flat top concealer brush. Now we have a good base for our eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is like a very pale pink color, and it's called Aloha. I'm just going to blend that into the crease and up. Alrighty, now I'm going to take this color here called Sea Breeze, which is a beigey color. Almost has like some orange hues in there. I'm just going to blend that right into the crease. And I want you to kind of see like where I'm going with this, just because I'm not pulling it super far up. I'm just going in the crease, but I'm blending it really softly. Now I'm going to take this yellow color here called Pina Colada, and I'm going to blend that into my inner eye and just go halfway on my lid. I'm not going to blend that into the crease, just right on the lid. Wow, this color Pina Colada has a lot of pigment to it. I'm not expecting that at all. Now I'm going to take this pink color here called Starfish. I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lid. I'm going to blend that ever so slightly into the yellow color Pina Colada. Now I'm going to take this purple color here called On the Rocks, and I'm going to blend that into my outer lid as well, and I'm kind of going to create kind of like a smoky rounded eye. I just want to soften that yellow up just a little bit, so I'm going to take the color Sea Breeze here, and I'm going to just pat that right on top of the yellow. Alright, now I'm just going to sharpen this up with some concealer, and this is the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Shell. Use the e.l.f. concealer for my eyeshadow. And now I'm going to take my light contour and I'm going to press that concealer in. So I entered in to win the KKW Beauty Concealer set. And I've never won anything in my life, so it's kind of a long shot, but I'm really hoping that I get it. I've actually never tried baking before. Like, I don't even know what that means. I know what it means, I know it does, but I've never tried it, and I'm just really hoping I win. All right, now for the lower lash line, we're gonna use this very bright blue called Island Girl. I've never used this blue before. I'm super excited. And I'm using my thin smudge brush from Sonia Kujak, and I'm just gonna ever so gently smudge that right into my lower lash line. So this blue is really gonna pop and bring out my eyes, and that's why I say this is a really good, look for green eyes. And then for the fun part, we are going to pull this up, and this is gonna act kind of like our liner. And I'm just gonna pull just a little bit of a wing into the top lash line. Take this smudge brush and I'm just going to kind of smoke it out on the bottom. Today I'm going to be using the Shade and Light contour brush, which I'm obsessed with. I love this brush so much. I also did a first impressions of this brush in my first impressions video, so click that link in the description. It's a good one. For my contour, I'm going to be using the bronzer in the Skinny Dip Duo, which is this right here by Kylie, and this is the shade Sunkissed. I'm gonna go back, rewind. I forgot to put on my face powder. I don't know why I always forget this step, and it's only in my videos. Like, this is a very important step for me when I'm like actually doing my makeup, so which I'm actually doing my makeup now, but like just by myself, like I remember to do this. I never forget this step. So I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals in the shade Fair 01. Okay, spun that all over the face. Okay, now back to where we were. And then just to add a little bit more color and some more bronzing, I'm going to use the Rodeo Drive bronzer in the Cocoa Face Collection. And then for my blush, I'm going to use the Cocoa Face Collection, and this is the blush Hollywood Boulevard. Now I'm going to take the 90210 highlighter also from the Cocoa Face Collection. And I'm going to highlight the nose with the same highlight. And then I'm gonna highlight in my inner eye. My eyebrow as well. And for the lashes, I'm not going to do any eyeliner today because we got enough going on with all the colors and whatnot. I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on and then put my lashes on. The lashes I'll be using today are the Velour Barely There. I'm going to press my real lashes into my falsies with my mascara brush. For my lip, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner Velvet Nude Lipstick, and this is in the shade Bare. This is kind of like a pinky nude color. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. I love the Vacation palette because it's a really fun soft glam palette, but it also has some really fun colors, so you can make a really bright and beautiful soft glam look as well. Some people wouldn't call this a soft glam look, but I would, just because it's really light on the top. So I hope you guys loved it. I'm calling it Sunset on the Beach, maybe? What do you guys think? I kind of like it. I will make sure to include all of the product links in the description below, and if you like this video, don't forget to push like and hit subscribe and that little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you soon.